my lord, look at this thing here! We are putting a massive turbocharger here into the baby right here, alongside a little coolant issue. It's gonna bring it all the way back to Sydney. Let's go! Is that cops? That's not cops, huh? Oh, it's ambulance! Look at that silly 86, Unreliable. Look at that drop tank in the back. Have I not mentioned? This is my first time ever towing. So we've got about 863 kilometers. This is what you should be doing if you're towing your car. Good check. Pretty sturdy. Back end. Oh, what a beautiful boot. Mashallah. Just having a quick lunch break. Making sure that we are nice and safe.
So awesome. One long blow on the shore for me.
Yep.
Go for it. Thank you. Let me get the jack. Hang on. That's really heavy. That's. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my lord, look at this thing here. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wong, and we've got the Hyundai Tucson here because we are towing my FD RX7 back to Sydney, Australia, because guys, we've got something very exciting in store. You already know, Clay World, October the 6th. By the time you're watching this video, it would have already happened, but we have a special plan for the car. And guys, we are gonna be putting a big turbocharger kit. We are putting a massive turbocharger kit into the baby right here, alongside a little coolant issue. So we're just gonna bring it all the way back to Sydney and give this car the love that it deserves, and we're gonna bring it home. So guys, come along with the journey. It's time to get some snacks and we'll get going, guys. Let's go. Actually, should we pump up the car? Nah, it's fine. So I think the trip to Sydney is about 9 hours. So, coffee break, tell. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, we're going back into the Tucson. Honestly. Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Nothing, I'm working on this rock plate. Hey, mate,
Mr. Beal! 900 horsepower, Matsuki build.
Don't abuse it because it will kill you.
This might be our last video.
Am I live?
Bro, look at the FD.
Oh, is that yours?
Yeah, we're bringing it back to Sydney. What are you doing out here?
Having a coffee, you know.
Oh, wait, are you going to be at Clay World? Yeah,
I'm thinking about it. My son wants to come. Yeah. Good day.
Take care. Good to see you. Take care, man.
Goodbye.
That is crazy. That's Reese with the VL Turbo. And we're going to go jump back into the FD. Let's go! See you soon. We got the FD behind. We've literally just done a few kilometers. We've got the car on full height because it's on air cups, and because of that we've been able to get it on the ramps. Huge shout out to Dave and Dad for helping us, as well as Kenny. That was a mission, and hopefully not as unreliable, right? All right, so we've got about 863 kilometers. Oh! I just smelled the coffee everywhere. Oh, my leg is hot. All right, guys, we're gonna cut it. I'll speak to you guys soon. Okay, so we're just fixing off this coffee situation here, and we're merging on the highway. This bus is beeping me. I'm just trying to get up to speed. Hold on. Yo, look at that Datsun. What is that trailering in? Where's the cops? Where's the cops? Oh, they're right on the left. I was like, oh, look at that truck. It's so close to my axle. Oh my god. Let's get out. Look at that silly 86. Unreliable. I don't know why. Look at that Tirana. Zoom into that, man. That is sexy. Look at that drop tank in the back. Let's go, get straight front. That is sick. What a way to start this trip. Is that cops? That's not cops, huh? Oh, it's ambulance! I'm not even driving the FD yet! What a way to wake me up at 10 in the morning. We are pulling this car with a Hyundai Tucson 2025, a 1.6 litre hybrid all-wheel drive that has been specifically loaned to me by Hyundai. So massive shout out, absolute legends. But the car is doing so really well. Have I not mentioned? This is my first time ever towing, and I'm towing my baby with this new baby that I don't know anything about, but we are getting acclimatized to this baby. Thank you, Tucson, for being a trusty steed. What's up, guys? We are back. The car has done about 200 kilometers. We are almost far out, guys. We got ages to go, but we just got to do a little check to see if everything is okay. This is what you should be doing if you're towing your car. Good check. Pretty sturdy. What about this? You know, my biggest fear right now is shaking this and this just all falls off. Back end. Oh, what a beautiful booty. Mashallah. Yep, all good. Last one. Beautiful. Alright guys, I think it's time we jump back into Tucson. The FD has a little bit of a journey left to go. Keep you guys updated with the whole lowdown. I'll see you soon. Just having a quick lunch break. Just making sure that we are nice and safe. Because the car's got auto drive, it actually steers and accelerates by itself. So look at this. And we've got the FD behind.
A few moments later.
Hi there. Good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good. Just ran a breath test. So awesome. Just be one long blowing on the shore for me.
Yep.
Go for it. Thank you.
Thank you.
What are you up to today?
Bringing my car to Sydney.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, drive safe.
Thank you so much. Take care. You didn't even look at the RX-7. You were just looking at me. Thinking that I drank. Woo! Another day with a modified car. Welcome to the life, guys. All right, we're gonna go fill up. We've got 42 kilometers left. This car is dying. Petrol is not a good option when you're trailering. I think we need diesel next. Will we make it? It's gonna hit zero.
No, we're screwed.
We are about to hit zero.
1.3.
Oh my god!
Hybrid battery damaged? That's not good.
To prevent. Okay, keep going, keep going. 1 kilometer away.
I can feel the car misfiring.
Can you actually?
No, but it did jolt a little bit.
Alrighty guys, let's pump up this beast. This location right here is exactly where we drove this car back from Sydney. And it was this spot where I saw that I thought we were leaking fluids, and once again, some sort of fluid is there. Alright, time to do routinely check with the FD RX7. Oh, they're coming a bit loose. That's nice and tight. I still can't believe this is the exact same spot we came here when we drove back all the way from Sydney. And now, it's still coming back home. We're gonna go pay for this and we're gonna head back to Sydney. How's it going?
Yeah, going good.
Going good?
Mm-hmm.
How's that E10 smell?
I don't know, it smells like regular gasoline, I suppose.
Brother. Soon we're gonna be putting E85.
Wait, are we going to E85 convert this?
100%. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney, guys. Pouring rain. What's happening? We brought Melbourne out here. Alright guys, I think we are finally here. We've never been here before, but this is reportedly the shop of Mr. MB Performance, Matt, and we are looking for it right now. I think it should be, according to this map, on the right? Alright guys, we've made it here to MB Performance. It is 7 o'clock, we've got the FD all in one piece. Thank the Lord we made it. Hey, you must be Matt.
I am.
Good to meet you. Clay.
This
is Kenny.
How you doing, man?
Awesome, so this is MB Performance?
This is it.
Nice,
small shop.
Man. That's
small
killer.
Shop. Yeah.
So you predominantly do Harleys, yeah?
Yeah.
Turbo
I
Harleys?
started off on cars, and then
Nice.
I worked full time for DJD Custom. Built a lot of turbo kits when I worked there.
Okay.
He's handed the reins over to me for the turbo side of things.
Wow.
So yeah.
Killer. So all of these are turboed?
Not all of them.
That
the
one.
2 V-rods are going to be. The one up on the lift, that's the road glide, that one's getting turbo.
Never seen a turbo Harley.
Yeah, take a
How
close
do
look.
they go?
Oh, very well, yeah.
Yeah?
It's
Do
crazy.
they go real fast or?
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, that's
It's
scary.
different, like 200 horsepower on something this small is wild.
So do people
just want more power generally, or?
Yeah. I guess it's a show thing as well.
Yeah, of
like,
course.
obviously, like look at the setup.
Sick. What kind of turbo was that?
That one's
Like a G25?
No, we use a 2860.
2860. Oh wow.
That one's a Pulsar. 2860, same as SR20 setup, really.
Mad. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
On a bike.
Yeah.
That's mind blowing. Maybe one day in a future project. Yeah, man. Have you done some stuff with the FD before?
Yeah, I did Husses and a couple of Husses mates. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
perfect. Okay,
Yeah,
cool. Maybe we should unmount this this beast.
Let's get it in.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Now for the final step, guys. Let's get this thing off this. Okay, we're in. It's all good?
Oh, what was that? Oh. That's not good.
Yeah. Let me get the jack. Hang on.
Stay like that.
What happened?
Stay like that, stay like that.
Alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah. When the back wheels come off, I'll adjust it. Keep going.
Yeah, keep on going.
Yeah, wait there. Alright. Good to go.
I don't even know what's going on right now.
You're all good.
Perfect.
We made it, guys. Wow, and this is only our first step.
Oh.
Thank you, Kenny.
Yeah, that's fine.
That was the most stressful thing. It just gets more and more stressful.
Also, is it okay for it just smoke like this?
Yeah, it's probably just the water.
It's probably the heat.
Heat, yeah?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the car.
Yep.
The engine bay.
Alright, so we're doing custom dump pipe, screamer,
Okay.
I believe. This is what Haas was telling me.
Yep.
And we're modifying the compressor housing to work with your existing intercooler piping, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sick. Sounds good. Yeah. It might be quite a big project.
That's alright.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Okay. Sounds awesome.
I'll go up with it. I just want to have a look
Okay,
underneath.
yeah, of course, yeah. So how many RX-7s have you worked on now?
5 or 6. Not heaps.
Okay. This is the 7th.
Just about, yeah.
RX-7, number 7. Nice. So have you worked with any of these new turbo setups?
I work a lot with Pulsar and Garrett.
Yeah, right.
But yeah,
What's the general feedback
on Pulsar.
and precision and all the rest of it from your end?
See, mainly Garrett and Pulsar because they're very comparable to each other.
Of course.
We get good results from both.
Okay, from Pulsar and Garrett.
Yeah, yeah. So our turbo kits come standard with a Pulsar,
Okay.
and you can optional upgrade to a Garrett. Well,
Yeah,
say upgrade, but it's the same setup.
What would you suggest for a beginner Harley rider like myself that wants a turbo kit? Like, let's say I wanted just a Harley with turbo.
Yeah.
What would you suggest?
A Softail with a Milwaukee 8 engine. There's that one there. That's a new setup that I'm doing for this one.
Oh, this one, yeah, wow.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is that turbo you were saying?
Yep. Pulsar 2860. That's just all temporary for mock-up. This kit's not finished. We don't usually offer the stainless pie cut setup. It's usually all black and coated like so.
Okay.
But
Can
the
we
customer requested that.
Do you normally run no filter like that? Just
Yeah. You
Sick.
can run a filter, obviously, but people just
That looks sick.
choose
yeah.
turbo guard. So, fire it up.
One day we'll be back.
No problem.
Let us know if we need a turbo Harley. All right,
Everybody needs one.
Yeah. Oh, here's a guy.
So
Nice. What's the situation?
So you've got a plumb back wastegate. When Huss was organising this, he said that we're going external, and we are doing a new 3.5-inch downpipe.
Yes.
And we'll come to this point here.
Is this all custom already, or?
Yeah, that's custom. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's got a turbo smart on it as well.
Yep. Looks like a 50 mil.
Yeah.
Yep. Progate 50.
So I've got some new ones coming in as well. Okay, perfect.
Alright.
Sounds
We're
good,
gonna get
man.
stuck in tomorrow.
It's time. Guys, check it out. I'm not going to show you too much, but this box right here is a new package proudly supported by the legends over at Turbo Smart. Brendan, you guys are unreal. That's really heavy. What'd you put in here, guys? Yo, take a look at that. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Yes. Alright, well it's safe to say I finally got a turbocharger that is as big as my head.